Happy Sunday sa lahat. Relax, relax. Manood naman tayo ng I Came By Thriller 2022. Kasasabayan na natin ng Happy Lunch, Happy Lunch. Max Fried Chicken ng Japan, saka homemade gravy by Chef Jomar. Let's go. Thank you Lord, tadakimasu. Kain. Max Fried Chicken ng Japan mga men, by Chef Jomar. Pakalamiya mga men. As may only gravy ka. Napakasarap. Ang sarap ng gravy mga men. Ito rin yung gravy ko, napakasarap.